Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate auto connect to the best Wi-Fi on your Android. So if you want to get the best Wi-Fi nearby, you can try to activate by go to the settings on your Android phone and then tap on Wi-Fi. You can scroll down and tap on advanced settings. So this is the advanced settings of your Wi-Fi, and as you can see there is a Wi-Fi assistant at the top of your screen. Just tap it. Here we go, auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, turn on. So even there is a new option here, auto switch to mobile network. You can try to turn this on if you have a mobile data. By turn on this option, auto switch to the mobile network when the quality of Wi-Fi network is poor. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the button below. See you in the next video.